How do I use Google at home? Step 1. Setting up Google Home. Plug in your Google Home device and follow the on-screen instructions in the Google Home app. Connect your Google Home to your Wi-Fi network. Sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Using Google Assistant for tasks. Ask Google to set reminders, alarms, and timers. Use voice commands for getting weather updates, traffic info, and news. Ask Google to play music, control smart devices, or get answers to questions. Step 3. Entertainment and smart home control. Play music, podcasts, or audiobooks on Google Home. Control smart lights, thermostats, and security systems with voice commands. Link streaming services like Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, and more. Step 4. Customizing routines and settings. Create routines to automate tasks like turning on lights or setting the temperature. Adjust Google Home settings for personalization, such as voice preferences and news sources. Set up multiple devices for multi-room audio. Now I have some troubleshooting tips. If Google Home isn't responding, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the microphone isn't muted. Restart the device if issues persist. Use the Google Home app to manage device settings. Final tips and recommendations. Explore the Google Assistant app for more settings and customizations. Keep your Google Home updated for new features. Use voice commands to control devices for hands-free operation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Google Home tips. Drop your questions in the comments and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.